Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. Alright, let's begin. So, the first thing that you want to do is open the crypto.com app on your mobile. Over here, tap on the accounts button at the bottom. After that, tap on crypto wallet. Then select the crypto that you want to transfer. Over here, tap on transfer, then tap on withdraw. After that, tap on external wallet. Then tap on add wallet address. Over here, paste the wallet address you want to send to. After that, name the wallet. Then tap on save. If it's your first time, there will be a 24-hour cooling period before you can withdraw. So that's basically how you can transfer crypto to an external wallet from crypto.com. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.